Next example, we approximate the ln of 1.05. So the easier way to answer this, the nearest value of ln that we can answer would be ln of 1, no? Which is equal to 0. Okay, so let's set up what will be our f of x. It will be ln of x. Yun yung function na ina-approximate natin. Then we get the value of a, which is 1. No, dahil dito a is equal to 1. So we get f of a, which is ln of 1 is equal to 0. Ano yung f prime of x natin? Derivative of ln of x is 1 over x. Then kunin natin yung f prime of a. So 1 over, ang a natin ay 1. 1 over 1, edi 1. Okay? Okay. So, we can substitute the values. Linearization function na tayo ng 1.05. So, that will be f of a, which is 0, plus f prime of a is 1 times x, which is 1.05, minus a na 1. So, that will be 1 times 0 plus 1 times 0.05. So, magiging 0.05 lang. This will be the answer. Okay. So, what will be the checking what is ln 1.05 in your calculators? So, this will give us 0.04879. No? When rounded up to the nearest second decimal place, it's almost the same. No? So, yeah, that's how you approximate ln 1.05.